Drifting is an art, and few have mastered it like Masato Kawabata. Welcome to this video where we dive into the career of one of Japan's most skilled drift racers. Masato Kawabata, born in 1977, is a legendary Japanese professional drifter. He's best known for his insane car control, precision, and dominance in the D1 Grand Prix series. But his journey to the top wasn't overnight. It was built on passion, skill, and relentless dedication. Kawabata started as a street racer before making his way into professional drifting. He gained recognition for his aggressive yet controlled driving style, securing multiple wins in the prestigious D1 Grand Prix, Japan's top drifting competition. In fact, he has won multiple D1 GP championships, proving he's one of the best in the game. But Kawabata isn't just a champion, he's a world record holder. In 2016, he set the Guinness World Record for the fastest drift ever recorded, reaching an insane speed of 304.96 kilometers per h, about 189 miles per hour, in a specially modified Nissan GTR. That's faster than most supercars go in a straight line. Known for his smooth yet aggressive technique, Kawabata has inspired countless drifters worldwide. His precision and control make him a standout, and his influence extends beyond Japan, shaping the drifting scene globally. Masato Kawabata isn't just a racer, he's a legend in motorsports. His world record, championship titles, and influence on drifting culture cement his place in history. Whether you're a fan of drifting or just love fast cars, Kawabata's story is proof that with passion and skill, anything is possible. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe for more awesome motorsports content.